Year 12 Electricity Examples.
Okay, have a look at question 9. And in the meantime, let me draw the diagram first. The output voltage is basically the voltage between across the 5000 ohm resistor. Okay? So your V out is related to say I name it R1. Okay? I name this R1. I name it this RV, okay, variable resistor. Okay? So we need to find the possible range. Say if the variable resistor has a value of 0, and the idea is if the resistance of the variable resistor changes, okay, the voltage across R1 would change, thus the output would change. If we want the range, so I'm looking for a maximum and a minimum. Okay, so say if the voltage of the variable resistor here will be 0 volt, okay, and then my V out, say if the variable resistance will be 0, my V out must be the same as the input, because that's the only resistance in the circuit, which is 15 volt. Okay, now, so if the resistance of the variable resistor is the maximum, which is 10,000 ohms, okay, then we can calculate the V out. Okay, so we can do it a number of different ways. Okay, so let me do the year 11 way first. Okay, so I need to find the total resistance. Let me delete it. Okay, the total resistance will be R1 plus RV, 15,000. Okay, and the current in this case will be V divided by will be this. Okay, 15 divided by 15,000 will be 0.001 amps. The V out will be V equals to IR. Remember R1, IR, sorry, current times the resistance of R1, which is 0.001 times 15, which will be 0.015 volt. Yep, I think I made a mistake somewhere. Oh, sorry. The resistance R1 is not 15, it's 5000. Okay, so the answer will be 5 volt. Okay, so the idea was the answer right, is okay, the range of the voltage output. Okay, the V out must be between 0, sorry, so 15 volts to 5 volts. Okay, so if I change the value of the variable resistors, the voltage value changes. The output value here, okay, varies from 15 volt, actually from 5 volts to 15 volts. Okay, now if we do it the year 12 way, there's an easy way. Okay, it's a voltage divider. It divides the voltage. Okay, so if we do that, okay, the V out, okay, must be the total voltage input times the ratio between two resistors and R1. Okay. Yep. We have this equation. So if we do that, I'm going to do the same question using different ways. Okay. So if the variable resistor will be 0, okay, this one will be 1. So my V out must be same as the voltage input, which is 15 volts. So if the variable resistor is 10,000 ohms, then if I do the same thing, okay, substitute all the values in, do the calculation, is going to be 2/3. Sorry, now I made a mistake again. Okay. It's going to be 1/3 here. So my V out must be 1/3 of voltage input, okay, which is going to be 5 volts. Again, my voltage output is varies from 5 volts to 15 volts.